Possible yung sa may point na nilagay
Mid that hell.
Squad 2, cover me well if you can. While we try to recover.
Cover me then. I'm there, left sir, sir. Where are TV?
If you can, yeah, if you can.
She's smoking.
Enemy have south
She is.
doon.
Oh my god. Tago mo muna tong logic. Sa
Yeah.
bush.
Yeah.
Hold position near a gas station.
Okay, quick, we're good.
We're good, sige.
Give me that fucking logic.
Sige, sige, sige.
Kaya kaso nga lang, natuto rin si
Botras
Anyone gonna build it have backup?
Right side ng squad 2, merong ano. Havoc.
Other my guys right now.
Shit. Mamamatay yung squad 2 men.
Squad 2, there's a havoc on your 12. Hi.
No.
Tara quick, tara quick.
Okay, tara.
Moving in to assist you, squad 2.
What's happening with the hub? Yep.
We have a shot.
Radio's being attacked.
Man pad.
Yung habok kailang habol na lagray.
Radio.
mga baril mga para pagkatay nyo sa amin yung hapok. Dito ang spot point marker. Nasa gitna lang kami.
Infantry coming from the west side of gas station.
Okay. Nabot pa rin.
Sila umabot.
Havoc destroyed, he's down.
Defend this light.
Nice.
Woo!
Give it another go.
Napatay niyo 3.
Yep, that's a firm.
Nice, nice.
Firm, a firm.
We returned the favor.
Bravo hold the
RTB.
northeastern side of gas station. We need forces on that radio.
Kami niyan.